Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best utility sink faucet with a pull-out sprayer on the market. The OWOFAN kitchen faucet in brushed nickel stainless steel. This faucet is designed for versatility, durability, and ease of use, making it perfect for everything from farmhouse kitchens to campers, laundry rooms, utility sinks, RVs, and even wet bars. First off, the design of this faucet immediately stands out. It features a high arc spout with a sleek industrial look, reaching an overall height of 18.5 inches. This height is perfect because it fits comfortably under most cabinets while giving you plenty of room for washing larger pots or cleaning bigger items. The spout reaches out 9.2 inches, and the height from the deck to the spout is 5 inches, allowing for ample workspace. One of the best features is its dual-function water outlet modes. The faucet offers a smooth, aerated stream for everyday tasks and a powerful spray mode for rinsing and cleaning. Switching between these two modes is effortless, thanks to the smart placement of the sprayer control. You can position the sprayer switch anywhere around the 360-degree swivel, giving you complete control over water direction and flow without hassle. The pull-out sprayer is equipped with a flexible hose that extends 17.7 inches, which means you can easily reach all corners of your sink or even outside the sink for washing fruits, vegetables, or other objects. The spring design on the pull-out hose keeps it neatly tucked away when not in use, while the gravity ball ensures smooth retraction. Build quality is top-notch with this faucet. It's made from commercial-grade SUS 304 stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, making it corrosion and rust-resistant. This durable construction ensures that your faucet will look great and perform reliably for years. Inside, it uses food-grade PEX inner hoses, which are safe and lead-free, so you can feel confident about the water quality coming from your faucet. Installation is designed to be easy and flexible. The OWOFAN faucet works with either a single-hole or three-hole sink setup, and it comes with a 10-inch deck plate to cover extra holes if necessary. It supports deck thicknesses up to 2.5 inches, which fits most standard kitchen and utility sink counters. Whether you have a farmhouse sink, a camper, or a laundry utility sink, this faucet can be set up quickly without specialized tools. The handle is a simple single-lever design that offers smooth temperature and flow control. You can install it to the left, right, or center, depending on your preference and sink layout. The ceramic disc valves inside exceed industry standards, providing a drip-free and durable operation for long-lasting use. Aside from functionality, this faucet also saves space thanks to its compact crossbar design. This clever feature gives you more room around your sink for dishes, cloths, or other kitchen essentials, making it a practical choice for smaller or busy workspaces. With a maximum flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute, it balances water efficiency with strong performance. The high-performance aerator also helps reduce splashing, making your sink area cleaner and easier to maintain. In summary, the OWOFAN kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer is an excellent utility sink faucet that combines style, durability, and functionality. Its commercial-grade stainless steel construction, dual spray modes, easy installation options, and practical design make it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable faucet. Whether you're upgrading your farmhouse kitchen, outfitting an RV, or installing a utility sink, this faucet is ready to handle the job with ease. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in learning more or getting your own OWOFAN faucet, check the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and critiques. See you in the next video.